Say hello to the ASP-1, the world leader in O-ring installation machines designed by the experts at AIS. These O-ring assembly machines can be operated by hand, fully automated, or anywhere in between. The ASP-1 is ideal for installing O-rings, cup seals, backup rings, quad seals, Teflon seals, and more. Onto the outside of your parts. The ASP-1 can accommodate O-rings ranging from 0.150 inches to 1.156 inches outside diameter. With cycle rates of up to 60 per minute, that's over 3,600 O-rings per hour. It also features a digital resettable counter for easy tracking. This compact benchtop mounted machine takes up less than 4 square feet, making it perfect for tight spaces. Plus, it's available in right or left-hand configurations to suit your workflow needs. For maximum versatility, the ASP-1 seamlessly integrates horizontally or vertically with automated systems, and it offers streamlined tooling changes to support a variety of applications. And these are some of the optional extras that can be added: O-ring detection in the head assembly, a PLC expander, a low lubrication reservoir sensor, a low bowl level sensor, an outer diameter lubricator, a full medical package, and the variable placement module. AIS is the world's leading manufacturer of O-ring and seal installation machines, setting the standard for innovation and reliability. We offer a solution engineered to simplify installation, protect seal integrity, ensure consistent results, and provide long-term reliability for our customers. ASP-1 machines are custom engineered to meet the specific requirements of your application and are engineered to maintain the highest standards of quality. At every stage of the installation process, our machines ensure that your seals are installed correctly, remain intact, and perform reliably over time.